Hi everyone, I'm here today to talk about a wonderful new product line from JDI Sawmills Division. It's a great New Brunswick story. We've partnered with JMN Enterprises in St. Francois-de-Madawaska in Northern New Brunswick, as well as Kent Building Supplies, to introduce a great new line of value-add products.
It totally makes sense to make value-added product like these instead of firewood.
These are wonderful value-add products. We have 5 different sizes. They're 100% kiln dried from environmentally certified forests. It's a wonderful gift idea and a great New Brunswick story.